56% of principals want out, not because they can't lead, but because the job has become unleadable. Every week, I speak with school leaders who are done. Not because they've lost passion, not because they're incapable, but because they're exhausted, disillusioned, and alone. They still believe in the work. They just can't keep doing it this way. And here's the truth that no one's saying out loud. We're not in a motivation crisis, we're in a structural one. The pipeline isn't empty, it's full of people who've stopped believing the job is worth what it costs. The first truth is that the system is set up to burn out the people it needs most. The workload, relentless. The emotional weight, unspoken. The expectations, expanding. The support, often nowhere to be found. One principal told me, "It's like the more capable I am, the more invisible my needs become. They're the ones everyone leans on, until they collapse. And when they do, the system doesn't ask, 'Oh, what broke?' It asks, 'Who's next?' That's not sustainable, that's a conveyor belt, and it's breaking the profession." The second truth is that leadership no longer feels aspirational, it feels avoidable. Ask an aspiring leader what's holding them back, and they won't say skill. They'll say, "I've seen what it does to people." They've watched great leaders pushed past their limits. They've watched joy replaced by fatigue. They've watched schools become environments where surviving is the goal and leading is a liability. The next generation isn't opting out of leadership because they don't care. They're opting out because they do, and they've seen the cost. If the only path to impact is burnout, people will choose self-preservation every time. Truth 3 is that we don't need tougher leaders, we need a better system. The solution isn't resilience training, it's redesign. We need autonomy, mentorship, time to rethink, space to lead. But more than that, we need leaders to stop internalizing system failure as personal weakness. If you're feeling stretched, it's not just you, it's the structure. And the people who care the most, they're often the first to feel the weight of a system that wasn't built to support them. If you're thinking of leaving, I get it. But if you're not done leading, just done leading like this, then it's time to reset. Not just for yourself, but for the next person who's watching and wondering if leadership is worth it. You don't have to do it the old way. You don't have to perform burnout to be taken seriously, and you don't have to lead from depletion. You can lead from clarity, from rhythm, from vision that actually lasts. And we need you to. And this is exactly what we explore in the Professional Wellness Workshop, a free live session for school leaders who still believe in the work but need a new way to do it. And when you register, you'll also receive early access to my new book, Culture of Excellence: The Path to Empowered Teaching, Inspired Learning, and Intentional Leadership. Now, what would need to change to make school leadership sustainable again? I'd love to hear from you. Drop it in the comments. Like this if it landed, and follow for clarity-driven leadership insight. And please share this with someone who's quietly considering walking away. And I'll see you in the workshop.